Well, welcome everyone to the Housing Podcast. I'm your host, Tim McDaniel, and today's episode is going to be about some very critical information that I think you guys will really enjoy. Before I get into the topic, I want to introduce my guest, Ishmael Hernandez.
Hello, everyone.
Now, I'll let him introduce himself, but I just want to let you know that he's like my brother from another mother, right? And we first met, and it was when I first got my license in real estate, and he helped me sell my first homes by helping my buyers get qualified for loans. So he's a special guy to me, and for the Housing Podcast, I only bring the special people, whether they're gifted, talented, or they're just special. He's all three.
Wow.
So yeah, go ahead and let the people know, about yourself.
Okay, excellent. Well, I don't even know how to start after that introduction, but my name is Ishmael with Loan Depot. Got a little bit of housing expertise with this. Tons of loan programs out there. When we got started, we were just doing the basic purchases and the basic refis. Now we're getting into all kinds of new programs that are coming out because the market's changing, which I'm sure you're going to get into that. And, I've been doing this 19 years, but every year just seems to be different. And as of the last couple of days, we've had some new changes.
Tell us about that.
You really want to know?
I don't know.
Right.
Are we ready for it?
Okay. Well, one thing, the big question, ask it, how are rates?
How are the interest rates?
Well, since December 15th to now, rates have gone up a tremendous amount. Government's doing what they said they're going to do. They're tapering off.
Hold on. We're talking about mortgage interest rates, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so mortgage interest rates, you're saying they have increased.
It's going to be mortgage interest rates all throughout the home affordability programs. Every program is going to be affected. The reason they're doing that is because as they raise rates, you lower the inflation. They're trying to control it.
Okay.
So we're going to see that, but we're also going to see the boom of new programs that's going to work within those higher rates to make the benefits still be there for us. And we can definitely get into that.
Okay. Well, I'm actually kind of scared now.
Nothing to be afraid of. We got some great stuff coming out. In fact, yesterday, I know I had this little thing I like to say, hey, what's new with ADUs? You ever hear of them?
Oh, well, yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, well, that's one of the things that I've been trying to master this year, getting the up-to-date information on it. The programs are going to help us build them, design them, and live in them. It's a future, it's a dream, and it's going to happen here all under one roof. The nice thing about it is they've been around for a couple years. An ADU is just an extra home in the back lot. Kitchen, bedrooms, bath, a new separated unit. Problem was, which people didn't know, is that when you built them, it cost a lot of money.
Yeah.
Cost you a lot of money, but the government, Fannie Mae, was not giving you credit for the value of the $150,000 upgrade you did to the home.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Well, yesterday, that changed. So now, if you go ahead and go through the program, you build your home, you add on to it, you're going to get credit to the new value of the home. You don't have to sell it to get that money. You could refi, get lower rate.
Okay, so the refi
and
is
add
there.
on to it.
Okay.
So now there's value to it, where in the past it wasn't. And two, we have awesome programs here to get you financed for them. I'll let you talk about the special things you found out about to help people even more so. And we're getting some people out there to help us with design and architects to make it as beautiful as they can ever dream of. And the cool thing is, it's not expensive.
So when you say not expensive, what does that look like?
It doesn't look like anything, but it sounds like this. When you come to us, you apply with us, we go through a little orientation program, you're going to find out that there's programs and vouchers out there that we're going to help you with, which we're certified to be able to offer you to help you get the financing you need, to get the money to do it. We're hoping to get it at no cost to you out of pocket.
Okay. Now you're talking my language.
Right.
And I'm sure, my audience also like that type of discussions.
Right, and that's why we're working hard late at night trying to find out about the programs, find out the people that can help us, and so we can help everyone else. Hey, we want to get you in that. But we don't want you to break the bank doing it. Mm-hmm. And we don't want you to get something run-of-the-mill. We want something designed for you.
So tell me this. How about if somebody just have a garage? Can they just convert it, make it, get it approved with the local municipality? How much would something like that cost?
Oh, absolutely. And the nice thing about it is you're going to stop calling it the garage. You're going to call it the room. Because, yes, they basically take that space, which is non-living space. You don't get credit for it as far as value. Mm-hmm. And what they do is with full code loan programs, like I said, almost zero out of pocket. They're going to be able to convert the garage into a full kitchenette, bedroom, studio. You can have your sound studio just like this.
Okay.
You know, all your dreams or whatever you're into,
Right.
built into the home. And the nice thing about it is, one, now it raises the value of your home, but two, you're almost coming not a little out of pocket, and you're making that dead space where you used to put all those boxes you don't want to open,
So I have a question.
the living space.
So I have probably a database of about a couple hundred landlords, property owners that work directly with our group, with the Housing Business Owners Group. And, you know, we actually have been trying to learn about this grant that they have with the California Cal Haffer or something like that. It's like a grant. And I've been telling them about it, but, you know, I've been wanting to kind of make sure we had all of the details before we started, you know, offering that to people. So can you offer more details about that grant?
I could give you all the details I got. And you're absolutely right. This is where you want to be to get that information. As a matter of fact, all this new legislation and new grant monies, you're talking about big, they have over $1 billion to lend people in California to buy their first home. Not only are you going to buy your first home, now they're giving this big voucher to be able to build in the backyard the extra unit,
Right.
in case you're going to have the whole family moving in.
Like $25,000, something like that?
Oh, $25,000, and we also have other financing available to help you pay the other out-of-pocket costs. So it's not out of pocket.
Wow.
And most of the people have trouble paying their contractor their down payment to get them started.
Yeah.
We have that for you.
Okay. Wow.
Plus, with the state, you're going to get this voucher,
Yeah.
which is going to help you build to code a beautiful adjustment to your home as you buy it.
Okay, so you can actually use one of the loans that you guys offer before the product is built, and
Yes.
you can get the price that it takes to build it included in the mortgage.
Exactly. You're going to know what you're getting into when you're walking into it. Now, the nice thing about it is, not all the information's out yet. We have a training course at the end of the month, which I'm attending. And again, stay tuned here, because here's where you're going to hear about what else is coming out.
Right here.
And here's where we'll give you the details, cost out of pocket, how to get it, where to apply. We'll even help you fill out the forms. We'll bring coffee and donuts. Come on down. You're going to meet Tim with a smile, and you're going to love it. So these are ongoing programs that are going to have a tremendous value to you. And every week to week, we're going to update you on it, because it's what we do for you.
Right.
And it's going to be phenomenal. They never had this before.
See,
This is going to be great.
then I tell you, this guy was gifted and talented and special. But I just wanted to, before we kind of end this, because obviously we're not going to give out all the secrets during this conversation right now, but I did want to, let the people know about how we intend to engage with them in the next few weeks as these, as more details get rolled out, and how we want to be able to give them the information so they're actually in front of the line when it comes out.
Yeah, great. Let's keep it real simple. We'll just talk about two kinds of people that are in your database, people that are going to come. Do you own a home right now with a big backyard, a bunch of space you're not using? That's what we need to talk about. We can get you the grant money, build in the back, the dream. We'll make it a living space for you. If you're a first-time home buyer, looking to buy your first home, and, we come across a yard that's got a broken down fence, this area is just a bunch of weeds, that could be all hacked up. And when you buy that property, we're also going to get you that grant to build in the back when you get it. So stay tuned if you're one of those two people here. And as I go to training, I'm going to share all those materials with you, the viewers, especially myself as well, because this sounds like a great program.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's a California program. They got tons of money. It's not going to go away. And you know what? Everybody gets it. The nice thing about it is there are no special zonings that you could only build on. You can build anywhere you're at.
Wow.
So what they want to do is call 1-800-TIM. Now, they definitely want to file their little, I'm interested. For more information, we're going to get their emails,
Well, if you're
telephone numbers.
interested, definitely go, give us an email, members@housingbusinessowners.com. And we will definitely have another contact available for the Housing Podcast as we start rolling the podcast out. This is our introduction. I want to bring the very most special people in the first episodes, probably the first 100. We'll have only the special people here.
Oh, nice.
But we're gonna be giving you guys good information. I'm glad for you to be here. I haven't seen you in a while, man.
It's been a while, but I got to tell you, I'm just happy that we got new programs to really talk about. That's got a lot of benefits for people. So definitely stay tuned with us, sign up with us, subscribe, and let's go. 2022.
Let's go. Happy 22, you guys. Hey, so as we end, again, I'd like to thank my guest, Ismael Hernandez. And hey, I'm your host, Tim McDaniel. This is your housing podcast. And hey, this is the beginning. We hope to be in your camera. We hope to be a part of your team, as you learn more about the housing industry and as you build your own housing businesses, if that's your goal. But for now, that's it. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye. Look forward to working with you.